So we are with Mr. Roopal Vaishnav ji. He is attorney in Georgia, state of Georgia, and a conservative Republican. Okay. So Vaishnav, Roopal ji, namaste.
Namaste.
So what do you think about this election?
You know, I think it's a great opportunity. What I've seen so far is people are resonating with a message that's positive, that's about strong economy and a healthier and stronger America, and that's what's resonating with people right now. And I think that's what's going to win the game of the day.
Okay. So you are into judicial system,
I am.
and Kamala Harris also into the she was also into the judicial system. So whom are you supporting? You are supporting Kamala Harris or Donald Trump?
No, I'm Republican all the way. Of course, I think it's not what she did as a lawyer or whatnot. I'm sure she's great as a lawyer, but it's about what America needs in the future, and it's about what the future for America is, where it's brighter. And I think the stronger plan is a plan that's a conservative plan. And that's what I've always believed.
See, people. Many people are talking about the immigration laws. Right? So, as an attorney, what do you want to say? What Trump actually says about the immigration law?
You know, I think I myself am an immigrant. I moved here when my parents moved here in America years ago. I don't have any issues, and I don't think anybody on the Republican side has any issues with you coming in this country legally, paying your dues, and becoming a citizen, paying your taxes, and becoming a productive citizen in America. Where we stop is we need borders that are strong. We need borders. When we protect our houses, we have strong borders. Why don't we do that for our country? Because we need to have an organized, legal way of people to move into this country. This country's been a land of immigrants. It's always going to be a land of immigrants, but you have to do it legally and the correct way, and that's what matters.
Okay. Also, Democrats talk about the abortion laws and all. So, can you explain these abortion laws in this country, how it is going on to our viewers, please?
So, my understanding on that issue is the original decision that was made contrary to where the rights are reserved for the states. So you have the federal system and the state system, and what the Supreme Court, as I understand, did is bring the power back to the states where it was supposed to be originally residing. And because that power resides in the states and not in the federal government, the Supreme Court corrected what was wrong. And that's what's happened. So the states will make their decision based on what people want in their communities and in their local communities and in their state, and they'll make that decision when they put it on the ballot.
Okay. Out of 16 years of the governance, only Trump was only for 4 years. So, but still, why everyone is blaming Donald Trump on this?
I can't answer that. I have no idea. I think we have a lot of folks who are misinformed, and that's the problem. If they look at the record, if they see what was happening, look at the economy right now. I mean, everything's expensive. Inflation's at an all-time high. Those are things that's driving this equation, and people want to get back to sensible, common sense, strong government, a strong economy, and that's what's going to govern. So the misinformed have to get informed.
Okay. Any other points you can see?
I think it's a brighter future if we stay the course. I think obviously if we are successful and we prevail, we bring the train back on its tracks. Because to me, I think getting a strong economy, a healthy international influence where we're stopping these wars that are going on, because we have a strong leadership at the national level, is so important for world security, for peace, and for harmony, and for a strong economy. So I hope that continues throughout the next 4 years.
Okay. So if Trump comes, these all will be settled on everything.
Correct.
Huh?
That's my understanding. That's my hope. Absolutely.
Okay. So in case if Kamala Harris comes by chance,
Yeah.
so what is going to happen?
I think you're going to see more of the same, which is a bad economy. I think a world that's unstable. You have leadership vacuum on the international stage, where people see America as a nation, and to get back to a strong nation, you need to change the leadership at the national level. And I think that's what's going to happen.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time. This is good information you shared with
Thank you so much.
us. Please, special thanks from Newsman.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Thank you,
Namaste.
sir.